Okay, you be a good boy until we get back.
Bye.
Okay, give him a kiss. Bye.
Ow. Ow.
Say bye, Leo. Say bye, little cutie.
Come on, kitty. Come on, kitty. You're fish. I love you.
Aw, you love him. He loves you too, babe.
Kitty's so good. Kitty. Ew, here. Kitty. I like you.
You're gonna help him?
Uh-huh. It's for nice.
What are you gonna help him do, bud?
No. It's
Oh, that's sweet. Listen to him purring, Wesley. Do you hear him?
It's sleeping.
Do you hear him purring?
It's sleeping. Cause I know you get up there a little bit. Get up in a little bit. Get up more bed.
Say, go sleep, little boy.
It's in the blanket.
Oh, he needs a blanket?
This is tired.
He's tired. He needs a blanket.
Well, for me?
Yeah, one for you. You gonna let Kitty have one too? That's very sweet. Say goodnight, Kitty. Say goodnight, Leo.
Get up. Get